Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Isha Monet back at it again with another video. And I got my cap on, so y'all know I ain't capping. I ain't capping with this. Before I get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss a video. Okay. Thank you. Period. So today is going to be a beginners friendly glueless closure wig install. And let's get into the wig. We got some wet and wavy realness going on, baby. And I got this from Amazon. This is a 20-inch closure wig. The hair description, the company I got it from, will be down in the description box down below. But yes, it's nice. It did not come like this. I did this just to add a little to it. I should have went up a little higher or did strips, but you know, I was trying to just test it out. But yeah, let's put it on. Let's get in there. My it has combs and like an adjustable band in there. I already had a part in there, but I don't think I want to do a part. I think I want to just, you know, let it fall. Let it flow how it go. Let it flow this way. Yeah. I'm going for especially for a beginner's install, like if you don't know how to pluck your part, I bleached it on my own as well. So, you know, when you new to laying wigs, I would not recommend doing all them parts and stuff, because you do have to pluck it, you do have to hot comb it and all that. So if it's beginner friendly, you don't want to do all that, right? No. This is I forgot what the inches of the closure is, but even just if you want to go with the no edges, you can do that. You can do that. And this is how it falls. This is where it falls. I'm 5'1", so I think it falls at a good length. It's 20 inches in my opinion. So I recommend this company. I forgot what it's called though. Oh, matter of fact, here go the hair bag right here. This is from Ioma Human Hair Wigs. 100% human hair, high quality. It's a brilliant fashion life, everything for God. So that's what I love this hair company. And I would love to be, I would love to sponsor for them, because, everything for God, and all things you do, give God his credit, give God his glory. So even if you selling hair, you a makeup artist, you a waxer, give God the glory and give him the praise. So I respect that. So yeah, Ioma hair wigs, human hair wigs on Amazon. Like I said, I'm going to be posting all the information on this hair in the description box. So stay tuned for that. But anyways, yeah, let's hop into these edges. I like spraying a little bit of, and I already did that, kind of Ebon Wonder Lace Bond adhesive, and I'll be using the olive oil foam wrap for my edges. So let's get into it. My edges are kind of already out a little bit. I like going into it and kind of getting them out. They're already out though. And I don't have no pen, so it do kind of get a little annoying. Shake it up a little bit. I'm looking into my mirror. My mirror is right in front of me. My ring light, like holder, it broke. So that kind of sucks. And as you can see, I did not lay it because this is a glueless install. Like, I'm saving my edges this summer, ladies. Sorry. It was like, what, I think summer of 2020, me and my homegirls was some wig wearing mofos, okay? Got to be was our friend, honey. That got to be spray. Dry all the little edges out. So I'm like, honey. I don't know if I can do that this year, baby. Nope, not this year. Hold on. You gonna struggle with the edges a little bit. Especially me. I'm a beginner. So I really just got it down pat yesterday. So I'm like, ooh, I can do little edges now. Oh yeah, let me get on there. Let me start installing these wigs so I can get me a hair influencer bag. Stop playing with me, honey. Shoot, I got this YouTube platform. Do all I can do with it. Cause I only got 140 subscribers. Like, it has been tough growing my subscribers. But, you know, that's the beauty of it all. I'm not giving up until I get my YouTube monetized. Like, I can't give up on it. Because if I give up on it, I'm never going to know what it's like to have my YouTube monetized. You feel me? So, I could, like, curl this one up so it can go like, yeah. And you're going to want the foam spray because it's going to help you. Like, when you're making accidents, it'll help you. But, yeah, I don't want to... give up, because then I'm never going to see the results. Never. I ain't going to know what it's like to have it monetized if I give up. So I can't give up. Quitting ain't in me. So if I got to change up my niche, change up, you know, do different things on my page to get it to flow how I need to, I'm going to do that. And like I said, I'm not perfect with the edges, so I'm learning with you, y'all. But I will recommend getting this foam, because it's better than using edge.
Especially if you don't know what you're doing with it, like me.
I can live with that. But I'm trying to think. I might as well. Well, I don't know. Like, should I? Yeah. I might as well connect this to this. Duh. I'm trying to creep in. It's trying to creep in on me. Get me all worked up. See, I don't like y'all. Do it to your liking. Don't mind me, okay? Don't, cause I ain't doing nothing but driving myself crazy. Okay? Call me Miss Driving Myself Crazy. Alright, y'all. I'm okay with this, though. Not even. Ooh. You don't want it to come up. right. This is the finishing, like, look. And to, like, get that out the way, kind of, you're gonna hit it a little bit with this towards the end. That's gonna lock it in, baby. That's gonna cause this to stick and stay down. You want it to stay down, you know. But yes, this is my beginner-friendly glueless install. Glueless. I hope you like it.
And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you want